Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, checking out gold daily and weekly, and we'll check out some miners and some shorter term gold. So we have a double top and it's very close here. I don't really like the stock charts levels, so this is what it looks like. We'll look at the specific levels on investing.com in a moment. So it is a clear double top of resistance, the weekly time frame showing it as well. And we can see here on the daily, so we had a high of resistance on the last move to the upside, the highest price we've seen on gold recently, 1374.90, and today 1374.15. So we came 75 cents shy, and 75 cents in a $1,370 commodity, that is not significant. That's a double top. So it's a very clear resistance level. We may see some consolidation and profit taking due to the inability to break that level. We can see the hourly chart has a few candlesticks of consolidation. At first it looked like it could be a bull flag, but we're on the verge of a bearish MACD cross. The RSI is coming off of some overbought conditions. I was looking at it on the 5-minute chart, and look at how much more detail we get. We can see the clear lower highs and higher lows, and that break just occurred after hours favoring the bears. So we're now looking down at key support of 1368.15, and if that breaks, 1366.85. So we could be in for some consolidation. Of course, it would be very easy for the bulls to show up overnight and see a $4 move to break that resistance, but looking for some pullback, and we have some miners showing some consolidation and some profit taking. We can see GDX formed a bearish reversal doji today, rejecting from upper Bollinger Band resistance. What I want to point out is these miners don't have a double top. They are outperforming gold. So you can see this is where the miners were at when gold was at its recent high. And if we were in the same scenario as gold, we would be topping out right there right now. But we already blew through those levels. So the uptrend of higher lows and higher highs are very much intact. And we're just looking for normal, healthy consolidation in these miners. And we'll see how much pullback gold does get. So there's a little gap to fill here at 3105 on GDX, then $30 psychological, and then these moving averages. But we look at all these names across the board. JNUG, also a bearish reversal candlestick with profit taking going on. NUGT, bearish reversal doji, little gap to fill there as well. So looking for some profit taking in the short term. It's also going to give us a bullish entry opportunity, maybe by the end of this week, if not next week. Going to be very cautious on re-entry. Want to see how gold shapes up, as I do not like that double top of resistance. But again, not a whole lot of movement required to break that level, and it could be a potential cup and handle pattern if we were to reject, consolidate for a couple days, and pull back or trade sideways. This is the psychology behind a cup and handle pattern. Resistance on the left side, unable to break it on the attempt. We consolidate, and then we see a breakout to higher highs. So that is a potential as well. Couple days of consolidation, we will be looking for bullish entry, but as of right now, anticipating some further profit taking. If we get a red day on these miners tomorrow, we will confirm the bearish reversal and look for further pullback. So I personally am playing some GDX puts, weekly puts, really high risk, high reward trade. I sold half of them before the close for a little bit of profit, and that's the only reason I'm riding them. Not enough indication right now in order to suggest a bearish miners play overnight, but definitely holding a small position to see how things shape up. And with gold breaking that key support, we'll see how much more consolidation follows. So I appreciate you watching. Definitely worth staying on top of these plays, as we know the miners are seeing huge games. The chat room has been very successful with these miners for the past 2 weeks. Special thanks to members who have been helping along the way. We have lots of eyes on these names, and we had lots of opportunity on this move. And we were loading the dip on this big pullback and big time moves to the upside, lots of gains made. So we'll check in on tomorrow. I appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful night.